What's good, faithful fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by Geniuswigs, and I am excited to show you this unit. Now, this unit is a curly short bob with their crystal lace. And dolls, as you can already see, the unit comes pre-plucked and bleached and ready to install. And the plucking on this unit is very natural. It doesn't require any additional plucking. So I'm gonna just show you a bit of a demonstration about their crystal lace and how their lace differs from normal lace. In doing this demonstration, they asked for me to pull on the lace of the normal lace just to show you how easy the normal lace is to tear. And as you guys can see, there was a hole that was formed with the normal lace, and then as I'm trying to kind of piece it together to see if it could be recovered, it can't. The hole still remains. Now onto their crystal lace. I'm going to pull the lace the same way I did the last time, and actually this time I required a little bit more force because it wasn't ripping. And as you can see from the lace, it ripped, but it didn't rip as big. And what I'm going to try to do is do the same thing I was doing with the other lace, but the difference between that lace is you can see how much smaller the hole in the lace got. So their crystal lace is a lot more durable and it is recoverable. And now I'm going to give you a side-by-side comparison, and you can see how small the lace on the crystal lace is compared to the hole on the normal lace. So that's just kind of the comparison between their lace and other lace, is that durability. So that is one of the star qualities of their unit. So let's proceed and install this unit. Let me go ahead and cut the lace and cut out the sideburns before I do the install. Once the lace was cut, you can see how natural the hair is plucked on both sides. Now, of course, this unit came with a middle part, and you guys know I'm the queen of side parts, so I'm going to go ahead and create a side part. One thing I will say is when I went to do a side part, I noticed that this hair was over bleached on the side, and it was a little annoying, but I don't really trip out that much about receiving overbleached units anymore because it's so easy to fix. And if you're not sure how to fix it, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how. So you guys know I've already stopped doing the ball cap method. So I'm going to use my Even New York hairspray, and I'm going to spray the part as well as the front of the unit. Because for this install, I decided I wanted to go with a glueless install. Next, I'm going to prep the hair for this install. Now, this is the part where I'm going to show you how to fix any overbleached knots. So all you have to do is go on top of any overbleached hair on your unit with the root touch-up. And it makes it so easy to apply. You can apply it while on a mannequin head, or you can easily apply it while it's on your scalp. And just simply take the color that's close to your unit, and it's going to cover it right up. I personally have black and brown, but it also comes in different colors as well. I decided I wanted to kind of trim the ends of this unit. I didn't cut off too much, probably about an inch of the unit, just to have the ends a little bit more even. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and define the curls. Okay, so as I mentioned, I am going to do a glueless install for this unit. So first thing you want to do is I removed my makeup. However, I did decide, even though I'm going to wear this glueless, I don't wear my units completely glueless anymore. I have to at least tack down the sides, at the minimum some hairspray, just to make sure that my unit is not flying off my head at any given time. I like to apply a little bit of mousse along the hairline before I tie it down with an elastic band. And all I simply do is help the lace to melt into the skin. And as you can see, once I take the scarf off my unit, the hairline is a lot more melted than it was previously. I'm just going to add a little bit of sheen to the hair just so that it doesn't look so dull. But guys, take a look at this hairline. Look how natural this hairline looks, right? It's very natural hairline. I did not have to pluck any of this hair on my own, which I love because I hate when I have to do extra work. The knots in the front of the hairline was bleached to perfection, even though it did have that issue in the inside. And I'm going to take my comb and run it along under the hairline so you can see, even though I put the mousse, it does not glue it down. It still can lift up. It is not glued. So this is like the minimum amount of adhesive used on this unit, and you can still get a nice install. Now this hair is completely dry, so I decided to wet one side just to give you guys comparison in case you're the type who like to go for the wet look. This is just going to give you a good idea of what the curls look like when it's wet, and on the other side shows what it looks like when it's dry. But dolls, you know your girl's gonna look out, and I got a coupon code for you. Get $30 off. I'm gonna go ahead and put that across the screen, and I also have it linked in the description box down below. And as always, everything used in this video will be in the description box down below. But dolls, before we get out of here, I'm gonna need y'all help naming this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're not part of the faithful fam, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. And while you're at it, be sure and check out one of my other videos. And also go ahead and check your girl out on my other channel, Being Faithfully Asia. And until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.